Hi, my name is Jacob Sapochnik, immigration lawyer here in San Diego, California. And as every year, we offer this video with important tips and recommendations for the upcoming H1B filing season that is going to start April 1st, 2013. And this year, as the economy recovers, we feel that more and more people are going to file for H1B visas, which means competition is going to become more fierce, which means that visas may run out sooner than last year. Last year, as you may know, visas ran out around June time, but this year our prediction is that probably by the end of April, we'll have no visas left. So it's very important to properly plan your application to make sure that your case is going to be accepted and filed properly. So the first tip that we recommend is proper planning of your case even before you start filing. For example, if you are first-time filer, a company that never filed before, we recommend obtaining the tax ID letter from the IRS, get the document as soon as possible, and email a verification of the tax ID number to the Labor Department even before filing the labor condition application, also known as the LCA. The reason you want to do that now is because once they verify your company in advance, once you actually file the LCA, it will be approved within 7 days, and you're not going to get into a point of rejection where you have to refile and lose more time. So the first tip, obtain the tax ID document from the IRS, file a pre-clearance with the Labor Department, and then file the LCA now. We can file the LCA now in March to be able to obtain an approval of the LCA. So this way we'll be able to get the H1B filed by the end of March without losing any time. There is a way to file the labor condition application even now by cutting short a month and securing the approval of the LCA even before the end of March. So it's a very important thing, preparation of the LCA correctly now. The second thing you want to make sure is that if it's a foreign degree, if somebody is coming here from a foreign country and they have education that is not U.S. education, make sure you get it evaluated now. Send it for a credential evaluation agency now. Make sure they get the certification that you need. If there's a problem with your education, if it's not sufficient, for example, if you're coming back from a 3-year degree and it's not equivalent, you want to check with the evaluator what you need to do now, what experience you need to add to your education to make sure it's equivalent to a U.S. bachelor degree, because without that equivalency, you can't file your H1B visa on time and you may lose the numbers. So very important to get education evaluated as soon as possible to make sure that the case is ready to file and your education is not going to be holding that. The other thing that's very important is that depending on your position, if your position is somehow not specialty occupation clear, for example, you're not an engineer or a doctor or an architect, if you're somebody in the marketing or business field where immigration is concerned that those are not specialty occupation, you want to get advanced preparation. You want to prepare proof, job ads, any research material you can find depending on your industry, that this is an occupation that requires a degree. You want to get some letters from experts that you can add with your case from the beginning. Don't wait for the request for evidence to make sure your case is strong enough and will pass on the first attempt. So any occupations that are not technology related, like engineering or science, marketing, and business are very tough occupations right now to pass. So advanced preparation, job ads, research, expert letters is important to already attach when you file the case. Don't wait for the RFE. Another important tip is structure of the petition. Make sure you have all the exhibits in line. Make sure that the officers, when they go through your petition, they can see where is the proof of the specialty occupation, where is the proof that the company qualifies, where is the proof that you qualify. Make sure you have a table of content. The officers are going to get a lot of cases this year, and you don't want to make sure, you don't want them to miss anything with your application that would require an RFE. Well, we prepare our cases. We try to very clearly identify every subject, every point in the petition to show that the applicant qualifies, and by this we try to reduce the RFEs that our clients will get. So those are very important tips that will help you secure your H1B visa. And if you're ready to file, if you have a job offer already now, we're in March, make sure that you start preparing your case now. Don't wait for the last minute, because we feel that visas are going to run out very fast, and so make sure your file gets there on the 1st of April. Wish you all the best in this H1B season, and if you have any questions, feel free to email us. And once again, we are more than happy to answer any questions, and stay tuned for our future videos. Thank you.